when I stencil the postcard, I stencil on the other way around. Oh, silly me. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and safe. Right, this week we are going to play with the Pretty in Pink digital kits that I have shared. So if you got back to yesterday's video, you will see the full kit. I don't want to show you again. So today I made a Faux postcard. Do you know how much I love making those? I've done a couple of videos already. I am using, this is a postcard stencil from everydayjournaling.com. Not sponsored. It's, you know, it's things I have in my stash. Love it. Remember guys, when we did together, we did a couple of postcards using the fairies from the book, from Cicely Barker book. And remember on that video when I did my postcard, so I did, the image was this way, and then the back of it I actually stenciled the postcard on the other way around. Well, today the orientation is right, so that is the front and that is the back. However, when I stencil the postcard, I stencil on the other way around. Oh, silly me. Like, seriously, what is wrong with me? So instead of, let me explain. Instead of, this is a postcard. So instead of stenciling like this, I stencil it like that. But who cares? It's a very original postcard, put it that way. It looks so wrong, don't it? It is amazing how we educate our brain to see things as they should be, because there's nothing wrong with this. You can still ship this, you can still put the address and the message, but our brain is trained to see this image on the right hand side, and now that we see it on the left hand side, our brain saying this is not right, so it's something wrong with this. But yeah, no, it's nothing wrong with it. It's crafty license, as I call them. It's simply a mistake. Right. Also, guys, I want to ask you something. I wanted to play with another, my favorite stencil. I'm not going to give you any brands anymore, I decided. Because I don't want you to guys just spend more money. So just use any writing stencil that you like. I do, you know me, I do like a contrast with typing character, with the contrast handwriting characters. Now, be honest with me guys, I'm not get offended whatsoever. Do you think that this looks like handwriting, or do you think like I had a coffee and I spilled it everywhere? Because as much as I want it to look like handwriting, like this stencil is meant to be, I think it looks like I had a coffee and I was talking to someone and I was spitting as I was talking. What do you think? I'm not offended, honestly, guys. You can tell me the truth. I'm not too keen on this. And I think as well, because I picked part of the stencil when there is, it don't really look like handwriting. So on the postcard we're gonna make today, I'm probably gonna pick this sort of, this size, because it looks more handwriting. But it doesn't matter. Let's have a play together. So what did I use? So for this one here, I have used this background. This is the page of the kit. So can I, yeah, so this is this one. The poppy, of course, is this one, and then the butterflies is the butterflies from the other page of the kit. So yeah, I can put this away, and I can put this away. So on the postcards that we're going to make today together, I'm using the central bit, like this bit here. And please feel free to cut these pages. You don't have to use it all. You can use single pieces that don't feel like, oh, you're limited to this size, you can chop them all off. You can cut them in strips and make your own collage. Oh, you can put a napkin and do another layer. Oh, you can do so many things. Right, so let's crack on. What we on? 5 minutes. I've not done anything. So this is the postcard. Now on the, do you think, can I use this one? Just lucky man, lucky man. So we move this aside. Now this postcard is a portrait. That's this, and landscape. That's portrait, that landscape. I'm sure it's right. So that's portrait. So the one we're gonna make today is gonna be landscape, like this. Antonio, remember, it's this way around. So first thing we're gonna do, we're going to trace it down. So I know what I'm cutting. Now what I really wanted to do, and I'm hoping, yeah, I can still manage to do it on this one. I left a little border. Can you see it? Between that and that, because I'm just using old book pages. So this is an old book page. So when I trim it, I actually left a little border. So like that. Oh God, it's not even straight, but who cares? Because I do like things to the border. I don't know why. I've always been like that. I always like to, oh God, it's everything but straight. Oh well, never mind. So that goes there. Now you got my issue. You know my issue with my silly table, my silly desk. So if I bang on, you hear that disgusting metallic noise. I mean, I just bought this desk and I don't really want to buy a new one. So I think Jamie's going to kill me. So in my next craft room, when we move to Italy, I have a dream, I have a dream craft room. Because at the minute, this is the second bedroom that we converted in Antonio Mess Kingdom. Yeah, it's not 100%, but it doesn't matter. So we're going to do this in a minute. I'll do this in a minute. Yeah, so what I wanted to do, landscape, going back. So landscape, I wanted, because if I do landscape with this, the writing are vertical. So of course, because I want a landscape, I want the writing to be like that. And what we're going to do, we're going to trick we're going to trick the person that is going to receive this postcard, because it's going to look like is, in fact, I could do with some we're going to trick the person, because we're going to make it look like is one big story, but it's not. So if the person will try to read it, sorry, I'm concentrating, just give me 30 seconds. Yeah, so little trick. So if the person will try to read it, it won't make any sense, because a few centimeters, but 100 or even 1,000 kilometers, not always find suitable all peaks of high mountains into desert wastes. So I find these sort of things quite hilarious. I know I you know, it's me. I get happy with any little things. Right, so what we need to do, we're going to cut this down now. So again, I'm measuring the size of the postcard. Apologies about the metallic noise, because I'm conscious that you will hear it. Scissors, whether they put them here. Now, because I want the border, I'm going to cut. Apologies about the state of my nails and fingers. but I got glue and paint everywhere because I'm painting downstairs. So I'm not dirty. I just got a bit of charcoal in my hands. And when you work with charcoal, even if you wash your hands and fingers and nails, it's still there. But I'll wash it properly when I finish crafting. Just gonna have another shower. I got a funny feeling I'm cutting it way too shorter than I should. Oh well. Oops. And it's not even straight. Never mind. So get rid of this. Where is the postcard? Here it is. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. So what I'm thinking, zoom in. Ooh, zoom out a tiny bit. Something like that, guys. What do you think? One there. Or should we just put that? Yeah. Yeah? What do you think? Okay, so what I'm gonna glue that down, and I'm going to, wish me luck, stencil this on top. I'm using the Distressing Vintage Photo and my finger sponges. I'll do it on camera because I'm going to bang on the desk, and you will hear horrible background noises. So I'm gonna do it, and I will be right back with you. And what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna stencil the back as well. Okay, I just need to make a note to myself, stencil on the right way this time. And also, this is original stamp, part of my stash. So I'm going to stencil it, and then I'm gonna put this on top, like we did with here, but it's on mirrored image. Right, give me 30 seconds, and I'll be right back with you guys. Ta-da! All done. So that's the front, and that is the back. What do you guys think? I got it right for once now. Right, let me know if it still looks like Antonio had a coffee and then it spilled everywhere, or it looks like a proper handwriting. Okay, I'll do like landscapes rather than portrait. What do you guys think? I think it looks better this way than it does that way. But I don't know. I like them both, but I think the one on the right is my favorite. Right, guys, that is it for today. Just a watch out, because the Friday freebie this week will be something to do with this. So yeah, don't forget check out my video on Friday, don't forget, because I will be gifting you some little treat. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the video and the channel doing well. If you wish to purchase the Pretty in Pink kit, you will see all the link down below, take you straight to my website and straight to the Pretty in Pink product page. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.